Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Do I have any mechanics out there? Are there any mechanics watching out there? Because let me let you hear something. So right now I'm in the car. The AC is not on. I just turned it off. Right? So you don't hear anything. I'm going to put this close to the ear. But I don't even think it needs to be that close for you to hear it. So listen. I'm going to turn it on. Just listen. You hear that? I'll turn it off. Now you don't hear it. I'll turn it on again. Listen. I'm going to turn it off. On. Off. Yeah, so something's going on there with the AC. Now, Google says that it's because the refrigerant probably needs to be refilled. That's what it probably is. Now, when I turn it on, it gets cool in the car. It gets cool in the car, so it's not like it doesn't work. I believe that the fluid in there needs to be refilled. I watched a YouTube video, but I don't think I'm going to attempt to do it because it involves a little gauge with a hose and a can, and I don't want to do it wrong. So I'm going to go to AutoZone. Okay, I'm going to go to AutoZone. And outside of AutoZone by my house, there's a bunch of guys that stay out there sometimes and claim that they're mechanics, and they ask you, can they help you? That's my plan. Because if I go to like Pep Boys or something, they're going to try to charge me like $200-$300 to do that. They're like that at Pep Boys. So, or I could go to the place on Jerome Avenue that I called. I think they do stuff. They have reasonable prices there now. They might do it for like $30 or something like that. Anyway, that's what needs to be done. I'm gonna turn it on though. I don't mind the little noise for it to be cool in here. Anyway, if there's any mechanics out there, chime in with your opinion, okay? I don't mind. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. I'm grateful. You know, I got my coffee and I'm ready. I'm ready for Wednesday because it's hump day. It's hump day. I got my music. Hold on. Yes. And I'm early. I'm very early. It's 5:33. As you can see, it's already light out. The sun, has, well, it's daylight. It's not